Hello everyone. This is LOTOS Company. We came back with a great video about the sectional garage doors. In this video, we want to speak about all roll forming machine related to garage doors, such as sectional panel doors machine, garage door tracks machine, garage support angle machine, garage door struts machine, curved garage door track machine. So stay with us until the end of this video. The first machine, sectional panel doors machine.
Here today, in our workshop, there is one garage door, PU forming garage door under testing. So I'm going to show you. This line combined with two decoller. This is the up layer. This is for up layer foaming, and this is for down layer material. And you can see this forming machine a little bit higher. It's on the top with 14 stations. This is for up layer forming stations. The weight is from 350 to 550. And here, the secondary part of the forming machine is for down part, and the material, the color, the painted color is back. This is inside, and here on the top, this is painted side. The secondary part of the forming machine is combined the 41 rolling stations with automatic weight change, interchange. Here is the first forming steps for up layer. It's also a motorized interchange with 14 rolling stations. And step by step, it's going to combine the forming steps. And also in the machine, we combine the PU wheels for sling thickness, because the thickness is 0.4. For RT slip, for more friction, we put the PU wheels into the line. And here we combine the casting pillar structure. It will be more better with chain transmission. Once the roller going forward more and more, we have more PU wheels. And here you can check the forming result. Let's get closer into the inside. On the top, we have this support roller for this up layer material. And here we have some side support roller to regulate the shape. Here is also form shapes. It's chain transmission. It's the middle of the line. Now, in this area, we will combine the up layer and the down layer together with foaming. And here is the foaming machine. It's very big. The capacity is very big, high pressure. This foaming machine is very big unit. And from this middle of the line, the up layer and the down layer will clamp together with the foaming injection. Here is the overview. 我能过一下吗？
好。
好，谢谢。And here we mounted with foaming gun, and you can check something inside. Here we can see it's foaming inside. And by this roller, it's clamping together. Here, up layer and the down layer together with the foaming inside is going to clamp. So once we move forward, we can see the belt, the up layer and the down layer is belt.
快一点，启发出来了，再快一点点。
And here is the warming belt with a lot of smaller roller.
快一点，快一点，还在出，快一点。
Again, we can check up. The engineering said we should speed up, we should increase the speed. Otherwise, the foaming behind will foaming up. It will be too much solid.
不行。
Here is all the warming belt. Let's have the overall view. The color and the first forming step is for the up layer. The secondary part of the forming for the down layer. Then we go to clamping and foaming, warming system, warming belt. And now we go into the cutting. And here is the civil tracking cutting saw with output table. Let's check the foaming result. And the foaming material is coming. Okay, again cutting. It's non-stop tracking cutting saw. You can see the table is moving together with the material.
The second machine. Garage door tracks machine.
We can check how it punch. So now let's check the forming part. Oh.
拧紧一拧，它就毛到这里去了。
好。The first roller, our engineer said, is to clean the scratch of the sheet. You can see it will take some scrap or some a scratch of the sheet on the sheet. And this is our grease oil roller to prevent some scrap on the bottom and the web. And this is the feeding guide we can adjust the weights by the wheel to shake it. So this is the whole view of our this guide rail.
这个手摸都不会割手的。但是那没倒掉。
There is no scratch here.
这已经倒掉
It's
了。
very flat.
Third machine. Garage door struts machine.
Today in the workshop, there is one unit of a machine that is kind of like a hat profile. The application is used for garage door reinforce. Let's check the profile and the machine together. Just follow up with me. Firstly, let's check the profile. This hat reinforce profile is used for garage door. Once we want to unite the garage door shuttle into one piece of the door, we need this to be put in middle of the panel to make it more strength. This is the completely machine. Right now the sheet is about 1.2 millimeter thickness, and on the cutting we make some holes. It's used for joint the screw. And let's check. And in this position we have the needle punch for the screw. And this is the machine. Behind the cutting, that is kind of the straightening device. Up layer, down layer, that is the roller unit together with this Turkish head. And here is the forming stations. It combines the 12 rolling stations. In the last third station, we have combined this encoder. The encoder will touch on surface of the profile to count the workpiece length. This machine somehow is built up with economic solution. It's kind of the steel panel with chain transmission and with one powerful motor. The motor power is 11 kW. Seems the material is galvanized, so to protect the roller from the zinc, we have added this lubrication device in end of the feeding table.
The fourth machine. Garage support angle machine.
So this is kind of the L rail which is used for garage door system. The machine is under running and testing. We have this kind of the punching hole. The punching holes will be done after forming. Here is the punching station. the punching needle.
Fifth machine. Curved garage door track machine.
Okay.
手推就是这个有吗？
Assist is for this pump to help the pipe come out. Hello Mahedi, now I'm in our bending machine factory. This is our test profile. We can check the angle of the product. We can choose the angle that you want on the touch screen. Okay, so here is the refer video of the test.
LOTOS can produce all kinds roll forming machine related garage doors. For further detailed info concerned with garage sectional door machine, you may feel free to contact LOTOS Forming at any time you wish.